What is the question?
Asmita, you just said just Asmita.
Okay, Asmita. So now this Asmita is not a girl's name. Smita and Asmita are normally kept as girl's name. It is not, Asmita is not girl's name. Asmita is a feeling of I am. Okay. So when you get up in the morning, first thing is you get up, the system is started rebooting, right? When your computer is operating, when you switch on the button, some screen pops up, Windows will pop up and something else. So first thing which comes up at that LED light, tuk, 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 tuk. Like that, first thing that comes up in your life is called I am. That Asmita comes up first thing before your experience, before the body and mind, everything experience. That I am feeling starts emerging. Okay. So now that I am feeling doesn't keep quiet. Okay. It is the awareness. So now, so this I am has come from the awareness, pure awareness. It's a reflection. So now that starts looking at the world and starts seeing the body and says, I am the body. Okay, that Asmita becomes body, ego. I am so and so. I am the body. It says, I am the mind. I am the intellect. It starts identifying with the seen, but it doesn't know the seer. The seer is consciousness. It doesn't know the seer, it goes back to seen. It is like tube light. Okay, electricity comes, the tube light throws light. You can see everything in that light, but tube light will never know that electricity is my father. Right? Asmita knows, throws light on everything. The awareness, light spreads. But Asmita has no concept who is the father of that consciousness, Chaitanya. So that, like that, tube light doesn't know electricity, like that, the Asmita doesn't know the consciousness from which it has come. So it starts seeing through the body, it experiences the body and says, I am the body, I am the mind, I am the intellect. The moment you associate the body, then the concept of I am the doer emerges. Okay? Right? The awareness becomes, that he becomes, I am, Asmita becomes the doer. The moment I am is the doer, then all the concept of karma comes into picture. Good karma, bad karma, right? Stupid karma, all sort of karma comes into picture. Okay, so my action comes into picture. Right? Now the heroes, villains, all this emerge out of that Asmita. Somebody says, I am good man, I'll do something. Somebody says, okay, the world is bad and I want to improve it and destroy it. Something like that. It all starts playing the role. Identifying the body, you become the doer. Identifying with the mind, you become the experiencer. The mind is the experiencer. Oh, I am so happy, I am so depressed, I am angry. Because you have associated the mind. Okay? Then you start thinking also. Right? I am the thinker. So that I am, which emerges first, becomes the doer, thinker, and experiencer. Okay? So pure I am is the Son of God. Doer, thinker, and experiencer is the Son of Man. Because you are associated with the flesh. Right? So to go back, you have to become silent. Because all these are thought processes and feelings and experiences. From experience domain to go to the source domain. That is the spiritual journey. That's what is called yoga. Understand? Now you look at this Asmita. Okay? During morning you wake up and suddenly start feeling you are so and so. So then Asmita, this as not only associated with the body, mind and intellect, it starts accumulating. My house, my family, it starts identifying I becomes me and me becomes mine. Because a deep sense of insecurity happens. I'm the body, so small. Okay? Suddenly you find yourself as a limited entity. Because you have found a limited entity, you are feeling afraid, the fear. Insecurity. Okay? Son of Man is always gripped with fear. So now he starts accumulating to make sure, build a fort around him. Understand? So you have become the I am which is Asmita has become a thinker, an experiencer and doer. As a doer, it goes through karma and the karmic accumulations, impressions will accumulate. It will move from one body to other body carrying all those things. Life after life goes on carrying that baggage. Experiencer, you go through ups and downs, roller coaster in life, suddenly feeling happy, suddenly feeling depressed, all those things. As thinker, you become a nuisance to everybody. Everything you start putting your head into that.
What is happening?
What's happening?
Why?
Why? So the mind is also worried. Okay? The worry and everything accumulates. The tension and stress comes from the thinker.
ಅದರಿಂದ ವೈಫೈ ಬಂದ
From that, wife also came.
Wife is the Wi-Fi now.
Wife is the Wi-Fi. So suddenly
ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್
that I am pure, I am feeling has become body, mind, intellect. It has become so and so, doctor, engineer, actor. It has become the politician. It has become everything. It starts playing the role. Now, if you look at your life, morning, you waking state, you have a I am, and that becomes somebody. And when you enter into dream state, you suddenly become something else. Morning, that I am is there, that Asmita is there, but it has taken some other shape now, some other body, right? And it becomes now, it may be suddenly, you may, morning time, you may not be flying. In dream, you may start flying also. Okay, so you will take another body, that Asmita takes another body. In deep sleep, all the bodies are dropped, but Asmita goes into a seed state. Okay, so in deep sleep, it is what you call as seed. Deep sleep, Asmita goes into a seed state. And dream state, it starts sprouting. And waking state, it becomes a plant. So, sprouts, becomes tree, and then again goes back. So, it's like every day it goes through cycle. Waking, dreaming, deep sleep. In that Omkara, Akara, Ukara, Makara represents that waking, dreaming, deep sleep state. Okay. So now, to escape from this Asmita Chakra, Asmita cycle, you have to go to meditation state. That's called Turiya. That's called half moon. So, Chaturtham. So you have to go to that. So, which is actually a awareness state, neither dreaming, nor deep sleep, nor waking. A background state, a witness state, from which all this emerge. Okay. So then it goes to another understanding, which is called Bindu, Nada, Spanda. So Omkara has 8 levels. Akara, Ukara, Makara. Bindu, Nada, Spanda. Shanta, Atishanta. Pure silence. Shanta. Silence. Atishanta. Shanta means silence. Ati Shanta. Which means beyond. Para state. So the Omkara is the bridge between the cosmic and individual. Omkara is the one which has the process of ability to take you from the individual to universal.
Yes.
Okay. And all sounds and forms, all the names and forms in the world are nothing but Omkara only. Okay. To give you another way, you have now very good television sets available. Okay. Millions and millions of colors. Right? But are they sending millions and millions of colors? They are sending only 3 colors, primary colors. RGB, red, green, blue. That red, green, blue mixed up in various colors becomes millions of colors. Similarly, the 3 primordial vibrations of Akara, Ukara, Makara, okay, mixed in various proportions becomes the name and form. So all names in the world are Akara, Ukara, Makara. Okay. That's why the primary urge of all living beings is to chant that Akara, Ukara, Makara. When the child is born, it says Amma, Mom. It's actually that's coming from the fundamental urge of the Makara. And the calf is born, it's called Amba. Amba means calf, the cow. Okay. The basic primordial first urge which comes from all living beings is that Omkara in some shape. Now that Omkara, that call, is for the universal mother. It's called for the cosmic consciousness. But biological mother feels very happy. Oh, child is calling me. The moment child calls something, biological mother is so happy. Oh, child is calling me. Child is calling, not you. It's cosmic consciousness is calling.
But cosmic consciousness responds through physical form.
So, the Omkara, all that is there is Omkara. And way to go back is also Omkara. From Omkara takes you from sound to silence. From disturbance to peace. That's called Omkara. From Son of Man to Son of God to I am one with God. Any questions?
ಅದೇ ಗುರುಜಿ ಅವಿದ್ಯೆ ಅಸ್ಮಿತ ರಾಗ ದ್ವೇಷ ಅಭಿನಿವೇಶ
Asha.
ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸ್ಮಿತ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವಿದ್ಯೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು
Just